morning, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Well, today I've got a bucket full of cucumbers to process, and I probably will spend some part of the morning doing that. Okay, so I decided to try and make short work of doing these cucumbers. Where's my glove? And pull out the mandolin, and I put on the crinkly cutter. I don't know if you can see that, but should make it a little bit more interesting, and certainly is faster than cutting it with a knife. Okay, I'm going to put that lot in the fridge, and I'm going to clean out some more, get another bowl, and get ready to slice up some more. And these are sodas. Okay, I'm tossing all the spices in with apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, and sugar. And I'm going to let that all dissolve and come to a simmer. Okay, I have no idea how many jars I'm going to need, but I've got quite a few started here. I've got cloves peeled, and I'm going to just use the ones I've already got cleaned first, and then we will see if we need any more. So what got here. Okay, this one I just want to trim the end off. Okay. So at this point I've got 3, 6, 9, 12 jars. I'm also going to add 1 hot pepper in each one. We're going to fill up these jars with the cucumbers and the onions. Okay, I had to pull out some of my fresh garlic for this year, and even the small clove had 4. This is only 3 of them. I'm going to start off with 3, and they are gorgeous. Well, it appears as though I lost some video, but this is the end result. I filled up the jars. I added the brine that I mixed up and cleaned the rims, put new lids on, put new rings on, water bath canned for 10 minutes after it came to a boil, and of course this is the end result. I did get 15 jars of bread and butter pickles. I have no idea how we're going to eat that many. Perhaps I will be giving away a bunch of these as gifts, or it'll last me for a couple of years. Anyway, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.